Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment. I've got an interesting gist for you guys. It's about the Ultimate Love Friday night party. It's Friday and love guests are getting ready to party as usual. Auntie made sure the ladies' hair was made, the guys were looking fresh and hot, ready for the party. Recall that last Friday, two guys who claimed they were secret admirers of Rosie came visiting with gifts, and Kachi was very uncomfortable. And this auntie brought the juice to Theresa this Friday. Kachi suffered last Friday from what auntie did. He was sweating seriously when he saw not one but two guys come for Rosie, expressing love to her, and he was afraid he was going to lose Rosie to them because you know what happened between him and David Wilson. So after being in control of the relationship, now two guys came from nowhere now to spin his lady. So it was really tough for him though. So this Friday, the theme for the Friday party was X party, and guess what? Ike's ex was invited. Beautiful Onyinye came. That's Ike's ex-girlfriend's name. Her name is Onyinye. Fine and sexy, thick lady. She came, and to the surprise of everyone, Ike also was shocked to see her. And this visit came with tension and shock between Ike and Theresa. His ex came looking hot and sexy, ready to pepper Theresa. So while she was in the cabin with Ike, she decided to seduce him, comparing herself with Theresa, saying she's hotter than Theresa. Theresa is too slim, that she knows Ike still misses her and her hot body, that she didn't expect Ike to be with a slim person based on he always like it thick and all that. While she was saying all this thing, Ike was just smiling and just laughing, enjoying himself though. So Theresa tried to hold herself from the nervous and emotional breakdown she was about to experience. The alcohol helped her hide how she felt, but she couldn't hide how uneasy she felt. Because of what she saw and how she was feeling, she was really drinking. She took a lot of things last night. So when Ike X tried to lap dance him, he rejected. I think that was the straw that broke the camel's back. Theresa was watching all along, and all other housemates were watching. And when Ike stopped his ex from doing the lap dance on him, they applauded him though. They were happy he didn't allow that to happen, because that would have killed Theresa. So after the little chit chat, it was time for her to go. Ike knew he was in deep shit with Theresa. He knows Theresa will be angry. She would be too many things will running in her head. So he just hoped and prayed that after this little chat with his ex, everything will go back to normal with Theresa. He went to her, the dance, and it was like nothing happened. Meanwhile, during the party, Obi and Abi were not in talking terms. She danced and whined with her close friends. We were suspecting all along that something was going on between Ebite and Obichukwu, because they were far apart from each other. So Rosie tried to find out what their issue was. Abi said he doesn't allow her to be herself. He's protecting her too much. Remember, this was Auntie's reason for not saving them on the Monday night challenge. She also complained to Rosie that Obi isn't allowing her to be the woman she is, like he's caging her. She continued to pretend like she wasn't hot. So while the party was going on, everything wanted to have a lot of alcohol in her system. Obichukwu, being the kind of guy he is, he told her not to take too much, that he doesn't like it when she drinks. So that made her angry, that he's still doing the same thing, he's still trying to cage her, and that he's not allowing her to be who she wants to be, that she's pretending too much. So Rosie relayed the message to Obi, trying to ask him his side of the story. And it seems Obi has an issue with Obi's party life. He said she drinks too much. Even though he realized lately that she can't stop that at once. Also the fact that she always wants to make their relationship a competition and deceit, and he doesn't like it. He also added that she allows her emotion take the best of her, and he needs her to be strong for him, that he can't raise a family with her if she's too emotional. That being in the house now with her, it makes him look like a weak person. Makes him, the other guys now will be seeing him like somebody that is dull, that does not have, that is not sharp. He's too, Abi's emotional state is always making him look weak, and he doesn't like that. He said when her mood flips, she takes it out on him, and it makes him look like he's not taking care of her. Like what happened in the party. Meriton came to tell him that Ebite is crying. So he went over to talk to his babe, asking her what was wrong, only for her to get angry at him, shout at him, and ask him to leave her. So he was surprised that how can his own babe respond that way to him. He didn't know what was making her cry. He wanted to just come and find out from her what her problem is, and she embarrassed him that way. So that really got him very angry, and led to the outburst he had. So he told Rosie all this thing, and then told Rosie to go tell her friend that if she doesn't sit up and be a matured person that she is, he's going to check out of the show today, and he's serious about it. Obichukwu was really angry about this, and I think I've never seen him this angry. So Rosie tried, begged and asked him to please allow her some time with Ebite, that she's going to talk to Ebite to change, and hopefully everything will be back normal. Also telling Obichukwu that Ebite really loves her, and she knows he loves Ebite too, that they shouldn't let this small thing come in between them, that all this can be resolved, and blah blah blah. So at this point, the ultimate love party ended. So the housemates were asked to go back into the ultimate love pad. So entering into the love pad, Obite and Abi were still carrying face for each other. They were not looking at each other's faces. Ebite then went into the room, covered herself under the duvet, and was crying. Even when they were sharing Chris cake, they brought us for her, she was just lying there crying still and all that. While Obichukwu too was in the men's room, still complaining to her friends to talk to her, that he doesn't like the way she behaved, that he should try and talk to her to change and everything like that. So at this point, Theresa, still on recovery mode from the shock she had seeing Ike with another girl, was now complaining to the housemate how she felt. She said she felt really bad seeing Ike with some other person, and what made it worse was what Ike told her about the ex, what the ex said about Theresa. Ike told her that the ex said she's not hot, that she's slim, and that she, which is the ex, is hotter than Theresa. So that really got Theresa mad. Theresa was angry. So at that point, at hearing this now, she realized she fucked up, that she's supposed to she should have reacted well. Understand, being that somebody is trying to body shame her and she's supposed to react well and maybe dance through the whole thing and show her that she's stronger than that, instead of just being jealous. That although she was jealous, it's because of the fact that she loves Ike, and she and that it really hurts seeing Ike with another lady. So hence she became like that. She was in that mood. So in the end, Ike kept apologizing to Theresa, reaffirming her, saying he still loves her and she's the one he wants and all that, and then nothing could take her, could break them up, that he's in this with her together and all of that, until her mood became very okay. So guys, this is what happened in the Ultimate Love Friday night party. It was really fun, man. I hope you guys don't miss next Friday's one, man. It's interesting. So guys, if you're a new viewer on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops. Thank you. God bless. Until